There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. No, like the cord to my microphone, like literally, it's so close to just like falling out by gravity. Which I've read. I just need to get a new one. I'm gonna get a new one soon. Hashtag.
There. We are.
Hashtag rich people problems.
I know.
What's up there?
Levels. What am I looking at here? All right, here we go, gentlemen. And then something. Oh, 2 minutes basically. Anyone looking at anything yet? Anyone made anything? I haven't. I think I'm gonna wait. There's no data, right? We didn't even talk about that.
You were saying like the NFP revision, but I don't see it anywhere.
Ooh, yeah, yep. And treasury purchase at 10:30. Yeah, the non NFP revision that could hurt, because if they've revised their previous numbers, saying that too late Jerome Powell is correct. Let's see what we have. Nothing. Any abnormal options activity?
Just the app. I'm just waiting on the Apple event. Caroline Levitt's at 1 p.m. same time as the Apple event. Trump talks after hours.
There it goes.
Oh wow.
Got that.
Yeah, for real.
So much strength. It had so much strength right there. I did it. I just put a put 4,500 in so I could close this 150K, and it just went and touched it.
You gotta love it.
Now I'm $25 short because of fees I didn't consider. So now I have 4,472 and 46. I'm not. Yeah, I'm not getting in now. I need $25. I'll get in some MNQs here in a little while.
Yeah, I grabbed one micro at the low. Whenever I hear war news, I always look for a dip.
Oh shit, I got a work meeting. Damn it, I hate it. 9:30 work meetings. I'll be back.
Man, that's like the worst time. Moonlight, what's up? What's up, guys? Welcome in. Welcome in. Hit that like, comment, subscribe, tap the screen on TikTok. We're live everywhere today. Feeling good. Feeling good. We kind of had a little pre-market Israel news. Gamma is pretty bullish. Net drift is a little bearish right now. Let the market settle after open. We have Apple event at 1 a.m. Tap, 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 tap. I was trying to... There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Let the market settle, let the market settle. I kind of want to see that yesterday's highs.
Gap too, because there was a gap. If y'all are listening. Oh, okay. Anyone
These 516 half.
All right. Switching from gap to orb. To orb. Orb. Get my orb.
Mag 7 net drift is positive.
Interesting. 33. PM high is just above the top of the orb, the overnight pre-market. No, the pre-market, not the overnight. So it can bust through that. Some crap about have you started looking at those London sweep stats, Zilla, on how if it opens up, it's going to, there's X amount of percentage chance that the London high will get swept. I'll forward you some of the stats. Maybe you'll like it better. Call the drop. Oh, wait. You said net drift is what?
Mag 7 net drift.
Oh, okay. Because I'm looking at like, huh? Puts are what? Close to each other.
All right, so right now we kind of staggered up 65.20 again. This top dog.
NQ is holding above VWAP and ES is just fighting with and losing it. NQ should come back down. Let's see what you have. Oh, that net drift negative. Your calls are high. Your gamma
Buy 617 puts, almost 3 million for October. It's 600 here on NQ. There's 875 above. We opened up in yesterday's value though. The weekly is 6503.
This drop right here, this is actually going to put us back to the top of yesterday's orb as well. Did it? No, I didn't lose it.
I don't know what my charts are doing right now. Can't do them on those. My other screen, all the candles are like way at the bottom, like underneath it. And I can't move it up. Strange. Load.
It's still holding us. It's still holding the VWAP. You have also growing slowly, but not really. Issue gamma. No walls.
No, just that big order.
Just that one though.
Well, it's 675 on NQ. What is happening to my chart? I have to restart Motive.
ES has touched the top of the orb. Still waiting on old NQ to wake up. What do we have here? Apple red candle. Wow, what happened to Amazon? Amazon's going to fill that previous 5-minute wick.
AMD.
Broadcom dropping as well. What is this? Chip sector's low and it's bad?
I don't know. I'm gonna reset Motive. BRB. I had to restart it. Like my other charts, like all the price action was underneath where I could scroll, and it was like auto scrolling.
Is it me or is the order flow? Well, for me, I'm looking at money flow, and my money flow is like thin, anemic. Barely, it's a little bit down, but net calls, net puts. Angling down now. That is crossing to the outside. What is going on? You lost it.
My charts don't seem to be loaded. Pop Stop's a little weird looking too. Like kind of stuttering. Apple 237 calls weeklies above ask are in. There we go. We had that. Those big orders at the high.
Where those red circles at the high there? That's going to be an area that's hard to break through. That's probably right at my VWAP, isn't it? It is.
Yeah, we're dead set. We're dead in the middle of the bands. Haven't picked a direction yet.
Bottom of the orb on, finally the bottom of the orb on the 5 minute. But let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Oh, there we go. I get it kind of close outside that bad boy. Finally breaking out of the 5 minute orb for the first time today. Let's see. Come back, I'm gonna retest that VWAP. No close on the definitely holding inside. Mm, 2 minutes till the orb. It's finally going to give me a kind of close outside of the 5 minute orb this late in the game. I still have it. Nope. Nope. Okay, ES is still. ES is pulling down. Net drift puts are going up finally. But your gamma for the negative side is not strong. Man, what is going on?
Spy's red. Max 7's green. 1 day to 60-day turned red. A lot of mixed signals. Deltas are all positive. Like if you're just looking at deltas and gamma, we should be going up to 6520. But the net drift's bearish. But they're both going sideways. That's one thing to note too. Here's half 5 minute orb.
Yep. Midpoint of the 5. Yep. It closed above the VWAP too. So I'm not gonna look at the essentially the 5 minute, 15 minute are essentially the same.
I want to see the reaction to this stacked and balanced at the top.
don't have anything at 10. No definitive move either way in 15 minutes.
Another muted open. That seems like the theme. Definitely light on the books, big time.
Holding at 50%, holding at VWAP 2. Who's going to lose it first? Amazon pumped up. Second big candle on Amazon, 5 minutes. And Meta's pushing up. 2, 1, 2, 1. Yep, that's it. Nothing. What is that you posted? Oh.
That was the levels I was.
With a negative delta?
Well, what I just posted in chat is just that's the levels I was watching. If we got above 65.18, we could see 65.32, but we haven't been able to get above 65.18. We're also looking for like 6,500 to 6,490 to hold. But we're just in that single print from the other day. We're just building value right there. So it's kind of like just waiting, which is probably going to be the Apple event in Caroline Levitt.
Wait, September 9th. Oh, unveiling of the new iPhone. Better camera.
$15-minute orb. It's lower. What's up, guys? Make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I got like 78% of people who watch this are not subscribed. That's crazy. All right, we're possibly breaking down the 5-minute and 15-minute orb on NQ. Some deltas starting to turn negative. Other than that, another muted open.
Calls are dropping off finally. But your negative gamma is not growing. Is it? No, it's not. It hasn't reached that line. Overnight low and yesterday's closes. Here comes, what is that? Oh,
There's a 15-minute orb
Yep.
breakdown.
Lost it though. Looks like I'll get a candle close outside. And going down to yesterday's close. It was at 23,803. Better turn on, better watch for that retracement. There's my candle close outside. 15-minute orb on NQ. Whatchamacallit just reversed. What in the Sam hell? ES is not cooperating. $236 is at
Buy 645 puts for October.
NVIDIA dropping. Oh, these are all split.
The 8 o'clock candle is small.
Better open, ignite it down. Ignite it down. There we go. Come on. Do something. Double can close outside. Shouldn't be coming down now.
Yeah, minus 4K delta. They took, no, they didn't. Liquidity pulled.
Approaching yesterday's close. ES is at overnight high, wicking off of it. If ES gives it up, it's coming down.
A weird, slow grind down though.
There we go. Here she comes down. Made it to yesterday's close on NQ, and the pre-market low is right below.
I gotta start looking to go long though.
Yeah.
The bands.
What about the bands? Oh, they're flattening out. Yeah. There's your long.
Of course, my chart not linked, so I'm in minis instead of micro. I want 2 micro longs, but I got minis. Let's see if we could get it. 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 Up 340, up 360. Put my trail stops in. 44 ticks. 88 ticks.
Should be a complete run of VWAP.
33 ticks.
On NQ, I'm talking about. Come on. Let's go. It wicked off the 236 NQ.
1 stop hit. One stop hit.
NQ's wicking off the 236. If NQ comes back down, that will be the real break. It's 2 touches on. It broke above the 236. That would have been my money. That would have been my high probability play.
Up for 401 lot. 401 lot.
I'm in 2 MNQs long.
Back VWAP in the mid or mid.
It's wicking off of it though. No signs of reversal. Everything's still pointing up.
And I'm out. Not bad.
Yep. Looking for a net drift cross incoming, but still far away. Ooh, wait a second. Hit the 382. Now, yeah, it did hit the 382. Uh-oh. NQ hit the 382 and started back down. Hold on.
Did you see AMD calls? 170 calls for October?
No, I'm trying not to look at
Sorry, I didn't
call
hear you.
flow.
Or AMD, like 170 call for October.
That was it. $630 off that 382 play, Zilla. Hooray.
Yes, way stronger. 10 o'clock. Was 10 o'clock the revision?
Yes.
Reaction. Let's see if they take that liquidity.
ES is on fire right now. I'm seeing all kinds of stuff flip.
Net drift flip. And down.
The market makers heard you there.
We ain't doing nothing though. This is like crazy back and forth in a 5-point range. What the hell?
50% retracement. Back down. Come on. 50% retracement on that too. I kind of learned it says candle close outside. I'm like, duh.
What time frame do you guys trade? I mean, like I put it at 5 minutes, and I'm like, my head is spinning.
It's overnight lows. I watched 1K tick, and then 15-minute, 30-minute.
5 minute for my charts and 1 minute for entry.
Okay.
Revision is worse. Benchmark payrolls revision subtracts 911K jobs. Gold rises 1%.
Gold has been beasting last night.
Yeah, didn't it hit an all-time high overnight or something?
Yeah. Yeah.
NQ did like a almost text.
So nowhere.
Retracement. If it loses these overnight lows, we're going down. Net drift puts running up. What is that? Oh, ES is bouncing off the weekly VWAP, and ES just lost.
Well, it's 2-day VWAP.
Yeah, sorry.
Well, I mean, well, it is the weekly, but it's only been technically 1 day.
Yeah, it's only been, yeah, you're right.
ES has a week high.
It looks like it's losing the, NQ is losing. Will it close outside? 8 seconds.
Do that reaction right here. Woo!
Mine showing a liquidity grab.
Oh, for a long there?
Me? Yes.
At what point do you decide it's time to get in a long?
Well, I didn't play the liquidity grab, just because I really don't. I guess. I don't know. It's usually right, but just don't play them.
The 5-point scalp each way.
Yeah, the problem with NQ is there's so much bundled right there together. I have the pre-market low, I have the overnight low. Now it's come back up to yesterday's close. Yeah, there it goes. So the liquidity grab is true.
No, we're not lows on NQ. ES has a weak high.
That it's at the 50 tick mark. And
Oh, is that DT back? You missed our launch earlier.
I always miss. Every time I go to a meeting, just to get prepared.
I wanted 2 micros. I got 2 minis by accident. I was like, okay, let me run this through.
Yeah, we were actually waiting for you to go on for your meeting before we took any trades.
Welcome to my life.
It was just a NQ bands.
You find those work better than Bollinger? Bollinger does give you
Bollinger's too much.
But you can change. Well, you can change the ATRs on the VWAP bands too. So
Yeah, but the Bollinger's like, I'd have like 12 signals right now. VWAP, I have kind of like 1 or 2.
yeah, you know what?
Like I'm looking for the less is more.
Me, I just look for what works. I could care less if it's a bunch of stuff on my chart. If it works, it works. I'm looking at I want wins. And NQ is he trying to catch up? What in the sandhill? What is that about?
Right back to VWAP.
Who?
NQ.
Came up short.
RTH.
Don't tell me it's gonna make it to the 236 again.
And go back down.
It didn't make it to the 236 yet, so I can't say it. What's your net drift showing me? Net drift. Oh, puts dropping. Calls. Come on, net drift cross. Because that could be one of those monster cross. If you're green, if the cumulative net drift continues up, that could be one of those super duper ones.
Google looking strong.
Bitcoin shit the bed. Oh, there goes. Get up there. There goes NQ back to 236 and VWAP. Let's see if it holds. It actually almost went to the 382 as well. Come on. Come on, I'll wait on it. At this point in time, it's all patience. Don't wait for 30. Didn't you say there was, let me see. Yep. In 20 minutes, New York Fed Treasury purchases 22.5 to 30 years. But it's not a market mover. Oh well.
There we go. I mean, if we gotta hold,
Look at the video. It has the evolution go thing. The 5 minute.
the video broke down my trend line, but
Yeah, it is kind of weak.
I only see one green candle on.
new high a day.
Shit, what was that? What was that one spy?
There's your cross, Brad. Cross at 10:09.
Is it what? Is it? Yes, thank you. Oh, and that's the monster cross. Because your cumulative went green at the same time, right? Is that 10:09?
Yep. Top of the orb, 15-minute. So it cleaned up the weak highs. That's beautiful.
Where's your TPO that you have?
On my other chart. I'm on the screen, bruh.
Okay. 10:09. Let me put
Damn, we're gonna keep going.
Shoot, dude, look at you see the bands, DT? That's crazy. NQ ones are nicer. He has barely touched it.
Come on, Ned Drift. Show us what you're made of.
It didn't have a RSI red candle, but we had a really this sell off was kind of slow.
Well, it's like somebody's controlling something, you know. It's like, no, they don't want to get it down to even 647. Oh no. So
The only problem I have with the NQ top of orb is that the pre-market high is right there too. So as long as we hold over this, I mean, we made it to the golden pocket, the 618 of the orb on NQ. So continue back up. And his net drift will work out perfectly.
this is some crazy price action, man.
Just like yesterday. We said the exact same thing yesterday. Uh-oh.
Nothing. It's just kind of coming back down to retest the orb.
Ooh. Oh no. It is. Yep. Possible bearish divergence starting on ES, not on NQ. It lost the. I'm about to get an alert as soon as it closes. Yep, 618 loss.
What's that
Not
alert tell you?
people are disordered today. Look at the wicks at the top and look at the wicks at the bottom. Like, can't go anywhere. You gotta stay in the green.
The bearish divergence did confirm.
On ES?
Yes.
Not NQ though?
Not NQ.
Wonder
But
which one.
NQ, right, as soon as it confirmed, it lost to 618. So usually it comes back down to the 382. 2 levels down. Almost there now.
I mean almost there now. Are you talking about ES? Because NQ's going up.
Yeah, well, NQ came back down when that came down when ES got the, and there it goes. Whenever I see the 618 lose, it'll break through the 0.5, and then the next one down that I have is the 382 fib, and it just hit it and went down. Now it's standing at VY. So I used to play that all the time just as a quick scalping short, but I haven't been playing it lately.
What's up, everybody? Thank you for watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe.
What is that? Oh, it's wow, what is that? Oh, that's the bond move. Wow. Really? It's almost got another net drift cross.
There is one. Oh, it's just right there. They're kissing.
Yeah, I was muted for some reason. So they're selling options. So they want all those to expire. But I've noticed like when we get into that, they're like you'll see them start buying futures. That's what kind of interesting. The walls, I don't the liquidity walls I still don't 100% understand. But right now to get through that is tough. We're sitting on 6,500. Kind of sucks. We're just consolidating around 6,500. I think SPX is a 12-point range. That's horrible.
Yeah, and ES is really holding yesterday's close.
But I mean, deltas are positive. It kind of got a few speed bumps, but they're shorting 40 to 50 pretty strong. This looks like
These candles are the first ones, first green after I called out that divergence. Divergence played out well.
and then like individuals are all over the place too. Apple coming down. AMD looks good, but Nvidia looks bad. Amazon not doing nothing. Google's always strong. Meta's at the highs. Microsoft's looking pretty good. Where's VIX? VIX is up 2%. Okay. And we have PPI tomorrow, so I'm kind of watching liquidity grabs. Overnight low on both 4-hour candles. Kind of all over the place. I think we're in a 6-day balance. One, 2, 3, 4, or a 4-day balance.
There you go.
What? Can't you say there you go?
No, I'm doing a correlation between what I'm seeing on Zilla's screen. I'm trying to watch his middle one a little bit more nowadays. The SPX, the gamma. And in a few minutes, I'm going to go on mute and see what he was talking about on his video about gammas. See if I missed anything. So I said, let me stare at that a little bit. So when I said there it goes, I'm seeing that the net drift was going down, but then the net drift for the gammas. Trying to see if there's a movement like you can pick up in there.
So
they increase at the same time though, so that must be one of your. I don't know. Everything's going up, but just a second ago, the gammas increased and the gammas for the red side did not, and that coincided with the net drift. I don't know. It's anyway on my chart. They're defending the VWAP side. Everything's saying that the market is almost in equilibrium. So that's why I said there you go. It's like everything's balanced right now. I don't know. So I would have to look at like a TPO chart or something. Everything's just nice and smooth right now. It's not one way or the other. You don't have the R saying, "Hey, did you see that?"
Yeah, it's definitely balanced.
Or he'll say, "Hey, did you see that?" That gotta love it.
I mean, right in the 15-minute orb. Mid and NQ. A 4-hour candle is a balanced candle.
I don't see that we're in the mid of the 15-minute orb. I see we're at the bottom. With no candle close outside, not lately. Well, shit, there was one at 10:18.
No, 930 low is 771.
The what?
The 930 candle on the 15-minute. We're at the mid.
You guys look at two different tickers.
I'm looking at M and Q.
I'm looking at NQ and I don't see it. Let me switch it in. It shouldn't be that far off.
The 930 15-minute candle,
No,
yeah.
No. M and Q, I'm at the bottom and about to get a candle close at the bottom of the 15-minute orb.
Huh?
Yes, absolutely.
No, look.
100%.
Wow. 15-minute 930 candle right here. Right? 930 low is 771. 930 high is 846 on the 15-minute.
We are at bottom.
Oh wait, that's yesterday's.
I'm sitting here like,
wait.
No, we are nowhere even close. Candle close alert sitting on my screen.
Why am I looking at yesterday's? What the? I took orb trades based on yesterday's. This one's fucking tiny. Okay. We back. We back better than ever, okay? We're having a little technical difficulties right now. What was I trading?
Here, I'll put a simplified view of it in chat. Grotesquely oversimplified, but I get it. I just got my 50 tick alert. Great. It's at the bottom. It's out. It's gonna go back up into the orb.
$10.17 Apple puts in. 220.
I mean, it's gonna take forever for it to bust through all that. Oh well. Let's wow. Wow, your net drift is telling a story. Yep. It cumulative negative cumulative delta just went up too. Huh. Yeah. Your gamma exposure is telling 64. What is it? 6480? 6480. Man. Look at that.
Oh, tired.
So price down, puts, oh, it's dropping. Shit. Then gamma crawled up. The rightmost, the net delta exposure by strike, I still don't understand that one yet. Because
If they're net long or short at that strike.
at that strike, which is
Yeah, so 6,500, they're either short calls or long puts at 6,500. So when you're looking at this, we're gonna have 6,500 road. It's like a speed bump. It's gonna 6485. The guy explains it like most of it's red or green. To have it go up, we kind of want to see these red spots turn green. Like they're the ones stopping a train right now, or they're trying to.
So that you were just showing should also coincide with one of your walls. Let me see, does it? 16.
No, I think Delta is what they already have.
But like you said, it's a train and it's going to get stopped by something. So the stop should also coincide with one of your walls.
No, I don't have any walls. Walls is just walls and
is the stacking of orders.
yeah, just stacking orders. They're gonna be completely different than Gamma and Delta. So when you look at this chart, you can tell when see how we turned red down here and then we started to fall and then they turned green and we started to rise. They turned red again. We started to fall. See how that is?
Yeah.
So we're all green.
That chart is showing that 6490 is being defended.
I mean, I don't try to look at strikes based on this. I'm just seeing that we're mostly green. We can tell some deltas are turning negative, so they're selling certain certain strikes. So if we're all positive delta and I see some red come in right here, you can tell how we dropped. You know, it could be a nice quick scalp. Reds came in
look at
10-13.
Look at the price right now. Your gamma deltas, I mean your gammas, all the negative gammas are just exploding downwards, and price is dropping hard.
Yeah, and then look, see how much more negative delta it is now, like 6,500. So they're lower than 6,500, so they're in the money if they're short 6,500. Just see it gain. We're gonna try to flip 90 to 85 is the flip. That's you see yesterday's lows. Come on. But like I don't try to look at this like with gamma and delta, I'm trying to dumb it down. Because I did all that like strike this, doing on options. I just basically mind fucked myself. So I'm just dumbing down when I see. We'll just go to tool. Time sliders. If I go to 930, we're pretty positive, right?
Right.
Look at now. Way more negative. And once you see that flip from all that positive to all that negative, we're down. No, we're down from that flip.
Okay, here it is, gamma class.
And I use gamma for the PT. So if we break here, we're gonna see 80 and 70 and then 45. But yesterday's low is 758, so I don't want to short into yesterday's lows.
I'm gonna go ahead and take the gamma class now. I'll be back in 15 minutes and 24 seconds with more questions. I'll be back. I'm gonna listen to your gamma class. Let's see how long. Oh, 17 views. It's about to be 18.
But look, there's yesterday's lows. Yes, initial balance broke. Oh, that should have been a short. I should have shorted that. Damn you, Brad, for freaking making me explain shit.
Damn, I wasn't paying attention either. The IB formed. Damn.
Yeah, that was a nice short. We're expanding on the VWAP bands.
Hell, I'm trying to make you explain it for everybody.
Yeah, see, we did that. We crossed 1016. Even though it looks pretty bullish, we could tell we're starting to turn bearish. Like I was explaining in the class, I'm like, I'm not going to win every one. Like some days everything looks so bullish, and we just slowly grind down.
See, that gamma was not as heavily bearish just when we first started talking about this.
I think it'll get a lot better once we get away from 6,500.
Huh.
That's the thing, that psych 6,500 level. There's breaking down. Let's see if we could hold into negative gamma. And then their net short all the way to 6,450 would be my Yeah, I dumb it down. I'm not using Gamma 6490. This is yesterday's lows on ES. What did I say about 6490?
It is. It's just it's wicking off of yesterday's low, 6490.25 on ES. Perfect.
Yeah, last week's close was 91 on ES.
Now, one thing we lose this, it's like look out below.
Oh, 6490 is a huge
Dark pool.
low volume node.
Oh. Oh man, I stopped looking at that stuff. I should. Getting all kinds of costs is saying it's coming back up. Where's DT? Oh, he's on deafened.
Wait, yesterday's lows. SPY, they're coming in October puts, 640 puts. I'm not looking that far out.
Two up, one down. Yeah. Oh, well, come on down. It's got to go up for a little bit. Not yet.
Just bouncing. It's the same range. Flip. I'm not taking it.
Well, I went to another meeting. Fucking dropped.
And then you're back and it's about to go up. Okay. You sure you don't want to go to another meeting?
Just go along.
I'm about to listen to his Gamma class for, how long was this thing, Zilla? 15 minutes. So I can ask questions. I'll be back.
Yeah, I'm gonna deafen. I'm gonna leave for a little bit.
Hope I'm not parked in the driveway. More for that. Yeah, those spy puts are fire.
Did everything flip to even lower today? It looks like that delta exposure is the complete opposite of what you showed a little bit ago.
Yeah, that's what I was explaining to Brad. I'm like, once it flipped, and that was right here, 1028, 1030. You can tell, look at them all flip.
I mean, fuck, what else is, like, how much further down?
Looking at the Gex post, whatever it is, it looks like calls and puts are pretty even. Maybe it's slightly more calls.
On what?
SPX, Gamma by Strike.
0 days?
What is that?
Did I post it?
No, the
Oh.
Gex bot.
Oh, let me go check. I think it's delayed a little bit.
Oh, 10:30 is when it was last updated.
Yeah, they posted at 10:39.
But on the thing it says 10:30 on the dot.
Yeah, but you see the max change? The 30-minute gained almost 4 billion. That's big. 6490.
Oh yeah.
That's big in what way?
Gain exposure. So 6490 grew a lot in the past 30 minutes. 6490 right here.
Oh, coming back up to it. You're talking about SPX, right?
Yeah.
So kind of head back up.
Well, no, this was 10:30. I think we're already past it. Yeah.
Oh, peso was drawing us down to it. And now
Yeah, it would have been basically from 6,500 to 6,490. It's only 10 points though. Killing me. Get a W pattern forming. See, yes, what? 1 point under yesterday's lows? And then right here, someone's coming in. I can see if I wasn't long. Oh, they came out.
Oh, you are long now?
No. Nothing right now. What's that line? Got a bidder on NQ coming at 736. Connor. Yes, really, yesterday's lows gonna bounce it.
Yesterday's low. That's not yesterday's low in Q. Yesterday's low is where it came in at, basically. It's like 665.
Yeah, not NQ. NQ's like we already bounced from yesterday's lows on NQ. Now it's yes's turn. There's so much zero TT volume in these calls on SPY.
Delta's starting to flip now.
Yeah, I kind of want to grab one of these calls. There's 230,000 volume on the 650 calls on SPY. That's crazy. I want to do 650. That's new high a day. Wait, need me a good signal.
Damn. And Q just gave up the whole last 5 minutes. You see anything on the tape for NQ?
No, I'm just watching that 736 bidder. See if we're able to come down. We're holding it as of now.
Bidder means they want to buy that.
Yeah, they bought it on a whip down. I'll post what it looks like.
They bought it or it's there. 736. It almost did 736. Went to 737. Yeah, I don't know what I'm looking at here. Is that NQ time and sales? 36.
650 calls up 43% since I added. Not bad.
Would you give me like 0.1,
0.15.
Yeah. I really haven't looked at 0-day spies in a while. I'm like, man, 230K thousand volume on those. When you look at the puts, the calls are way more than the puts. Well, they're about 250 for 648. But I hope they profited already. It's just like liquidity needs to get above IB low. IB low, mid, overnight low, all in the same spot. You can tell right here, look. Deltas are starting to turn positive again.
We're at QQQ VWAP now. I've been scalping up to it just to recover some bad plays.
Oh, they came back up to POC.
Came back up to it? I thought the POC was that orange there on the right, that volume. Or is that just the most volume?
Yeah, 4-day profile is beautiful.
For what?
4-day profile. Put it in chat. I'll put it in chat again. There's like a huge low volume node there. Which we're in a 4-day balance. I want to see what that looks like. I mean, now where else can we go? Yesterday's highs?
Whoa. What's happening?
Right at 11?
Let me see. Is there anything? Trigger hub. I don't see anything.
The volume. Did something happen?
I'm looking at NVIDIA, and it had that same little spike. Wick, whatever.
I'm not seeing any data.
Gamma turning red where we're at too.
They did that right at mid and POC. Boeing news. Boeing had the wick. NVIDIA unveils a new chip system for AI video and software creation. I didn't know there was in the video. Oh, let's look at the Fed watch. Still the same. Yeah. Buddy, you're supposed to be resting. You're sick, remember? Not playtime when you're home sick from school. Really? They just come up, test initial balance value, and then come right back down. $15 double inside. What? Amazon puts. Amazon puts and Tesla puts took profit. Am I supposed to have to message his teacher? Alright. Can I get this to go? What are we going to do? What are we going to do? What the fuck? at the top movers.
All right, I checked out the video.
You're like 20% smarter now, aren't you?
I gotta. Yeah, maybe. What was it? I knew what an iron condor is, but I wonder if I else did. When you were talking about it, you kept talking about iron condors,
Yeah.
but never said what an iron condor is.
It's basically they're buying and selling a strike above, they're buying and selling a strike below.
Yep.
So they want price to close in between that.
Within.
Yeah.
Yep.
All or nothing. So the guy, he always comes back. If he loses, he'll double down. So the next day he'll double down. His win percentage is like 60 to 70%, but he's made money. NVIDIA, big spike in net flow. 170 calls for November 21st.
Have you noticed that most of the prop firms are seem to be adopting Project X?
Really, most of them?
Yeah, didn't I just see Tradeify?
Yeah, Tradeify one.
Is running over that way too. And of course, Lucid.
Yeah, I mean, it's because most of the now you have these trade copier people who could trade copy all Project X stuff.
I mean, you can still trade copy all the people that are on it, right?
Yeah.
Like across accounts or prop firms.
Yeah.
Like Ninja. No.
It's just another offering. I bet you it's a good agreement between both companies. If I was Tradeify, I'd be making my own platform. But
Did Tradeify decrease their fees? Because the fees on Project X is a lot cheaper.
Project X is no commissions, but it has fees.
Well, yeah. Well, the clearing fees and things, but yeah, commissions.
Yeah, Tradeify doesn't have an activation fee, right?
Right.
So do they
No,
have
I
a
think
monthly
they do.
charge?
They do it in one of them. One of them you could do an activation fee.
Do they have a monthly charge? Is it like Lucid?
Yeah, I think it's subscription. Well, Lucid's not a subscription though.
Yeah, Lucid has no monthly fees. That's why I like Lucid.
Oh, it's Mind Funded Futures too. No, they'll charge you per month unless you just cancel the account and buy a new one.
But also the two companies that are not doing the monthly fees have daily loss limit.
Have what?
A daily loss limit.
DLLs.
Lucid and I think Tradeify does. That's kind of interesting. It's like pick and choose, like daily loss limit, and then they have another hard strategy.
Yeah, but the DLL is 1,200 on Lucid. 12 or 1,100.
I like daily loss limit. Unless I'm funded.
I'd rather have it daily than the cumulative.
Yeah, because for me, I mean, if I'm losing 1,200, I shouldn't be trading after that. If I'm losing 1,000, I should be trading just the way I trade with micro. What kind of sucks because with all the slippage, it's not really 1,200. Like I've gotten it to like 1,350, 1,400 before. What's up, everybody? Oh, I'm not muted.
So which way you think this consolidation is gonna break?
How y'all doing? Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Tap if you're on TikTok. We're on Twitter too. So we're on Twitter, Twitch, TikTok, YouTube. Eventually, I'm gonna go all YouTube. It just seems to be the best one. I'm just probably just waiting on 1 p.m. for the good old press secretary and Apple event. Pretty small range so far. Next little low, holding at 6490. 6500 6490 is a pretty big hold with our 4-day balance. Of course, just like yesterday, that these VWAP rejections just seem to be controlling. So maybe possibly another push down. Back up. See it break this VWAP. I don't like how VWAP's been controlling the market lately.
Triple inside on NQ though. 15-minute.
Fancy. I gotta bring that chart back up.
What does that mean for you when you say that?
Yeah, 30 minutes inside, has 4 minutes left. The ES is breaking up on a 15. I had to check out that new high day go outside today. Bunch of 50s above. Interesting. I don't really care about us. Hate me, break me.
Is 50 the wall? You think we'll just rape through it to get them?
I mean, my guess is probably stop sitting on VWAP. We have 6505. See if we could take them. I mean, it's not technically a wall. It's just a bunch of 50s. Maybe like one order split up that wants to take it higher. But this a week intraday high. Still gotta take out yesterday's highs. There's that break. I mean, I'm looking for yesterday's highs. That's what I kind of want.
Where's that at? Where's yesterday? Oh, wow.
60, 65, 16. I mean, we broke the lows. Like, well, you know, might as well go outside, break the highs. But it all depends on Apple and Caroline Levitt at 1. But we are moving 15 minutes. We're moving up on the last 15-minute bar was negative delta, but barely any negative. Thank you, Shrug. What? UNH is flying. SMCI popped.
Is this just gonna flush or what?
Wow, my kid is not happy.
Do you guys see the inverse head and shoulders?
Yeah, you love that pattern, bro.
I know, man. Every time I see that, like, and you know what? It won't be even obvious. It'll be like kind of slanted. On the 5 minute, it's very visible. But we got to break that 649.
Yeah, it's like that downtrend. We're kind of breaking it.
Yeah, this can. I mean, if we break that, it's going to run up to yesterday's high and even above that. So far, it's looking good. It needs that volume coming in. Nothing is sudden.
I mean, I'm looking. I want yesterday's highs, but
Yeah, Nvidia is picking up. It needs to get inside the orb.
you see UNH.
The orb.
UNH is like a penny stock.
And I don't know, like it could be. I mean, it could have that thing because of Jensen and people selling, taking profits to whatever. But
SMCI was
I think it needs to go
pushing.
to 170 to 172.5 minimum before we can go down more. At some point, I think we might visit even 155, 150 level at some point. That'll be the ultimate reversal. break this shit, man. Break this view up and keep going. Go. Don't stop. Go.
Yeah, so I know it would have to come down one more time to break it, just like yesterday. It's kind of like weird how it's.
Yeah. I have this 26 September 175 call on NVIDIA. Apparently, I got it just before the dump. I'm very lucky. Very lucky to get in just before the dump yesterday at close. I'm still down 20%.
God, I thought I was gonna blow my apart. My kid's like screaming from the bottom of the steps to come here. I'm like, no.
Dude, it's so stressful when you're in a position and your kid starts fucking losing it.
I was like, just come up here and ask what he wants candy. I'm like, oh my gosh. Like, you're killing me. Well, the other one's home and he's just picking. Like, I thought it'd be nice because they could entertain each other. Nah.
Dude, I got a 13-year-old that will stop me in the middle of a meeting that I am running to ask me where the remote control is.
I mean, luckily the youngest would be on my lap most of the day, and I put a video on one of my monitors for him. But lately, it's been really
My
good.
son stops me and asks, "What is the time?" I'm like, we have analog clocks all over at home, and he doesn't want to even read that. I'm like, what are you even doing?
I mean, luckily, when my son's out like every month, he goes 2 on, 2 off because they do year round. So like when he's off that month, I'll like join like a kid's gym for the whole month. So I'm like, after I'm done working, we'll go there and we'll have fun. That's was a game changer. Because usually I just take 3 weeks off. I'm not trading. My wife said she'll be home 2 hours ago and she's still not home. I'm like, God. Eat lunch. I guess it's good when they're in school because it kind of breaks up the monotony. Come here, buddy. VWAP. It's disgusting. MCI. I want MCI shares, but it looks like the biggest head and shoulders. ASTS. I was looking at shares. It's okay, buddy. We don't have any yummy. And mommy's on her way home. Sit on that. Want to watch some YouTube? What? YouTube Kids is 10 years old? ABC. Are you watching mermaids again? They just whipped that right back down.
I mean, it kind of works the opposite of how the humans see it. So you see a big green bar, I put. See a big red bar, I call.
That's what Professor really was into. He's like, they're accumulating shorts on the way up.
Yeah, I don't have a good feeling of whatever they're doing. I mean, they are just taking the scenic route, whichever they're gonna be like doing it soon. Like they're gonna pick a direction and go. But
I feel like they're just getting their liquidity. Was it next week?
How are we doing, kiddos?
Yeah, FOMC's the 17th, so next week. Like they're just grabbing their liquidity now and I feel like beginning of next week they'll be starting to do their positioning.
yeah, I'm sitting here holding calls and puts and kicking your calls and puts and I don't know what I'm doing.
Bitcoin sold. SMCI is still going. Come on, why can't the video go if SMCI is going?
Yeah, just break the view up and go. Oh, I didn't realize Apple was weak. Did they complete their?
They have their announcement in an hour.
Oh, so they haven't started it.
That's at 1, I think it's 1 p.m. East.
Right, yeah, I see that they're selling on. Getting anything AI?
No. Doggy on airplane?
Yeah.
I'm probably selling into the event, but I wanted to short the event. So I don't like when they sell into it.
Yeah. Usually it runs up to the event and then sells off. But I don't know. This is something AI. It's gonna run.
And it's like still going.
Yeah, they're gonna take the city crowd, whatever they're gonna do. You know, they're not gonna give it easy. So the city crowd.
Mm-hmm.
God damn it.
They're making an airplane for the doggy. I'm still going. Yeah, doggy jumped in the pool in the airplane. It's kind of weird, bro. Kind of weird, bro. Yeah, I see him. No, we don't need a doggy. We have two crazy ones already.
gonna hold here over the view off this time?
I mean, I'm hoping break.
We'll see. Daily open, the 9:30 open, and something from yesterday and yesterday's level. Yesterday's close right above us on ES.
Nope. Fucker.
$12.08 cross. What's up, baby duck? Come on, keep on pushing.
Come on, get in the boat, fish.
Well, I see it. It's high a day, I think.
What's high day right now?
No.
Yesterday Saturday?
No, I was thinking something else. Hit me, break me.
Mommy home?
No, mommy's on her way. I think I gotta move my car.
Yeah.
Am I I can't tell if I'm parked in the
I
truck.
go you.
No, you don't go with me.
I go you.
I go you.
I go you, Money.
This is sad. I don't want to look out the window, so I'm looking at the camera on my car. Okay. Half mid, 50, half 50. Getting off. All right, buddy. I'll be right back, guys. I gotta go move my car.
I go you.
All right, we're going. Hold on. I just gotta look, Brandon. Where's the doggy?
I in cold.
Come on. Let's go.
Oh no.
Let's go. We gotta move the car for mommy.
So what just dropped us? I wasn't even paying attention.
My long. God damn it.
Did you say you're long?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been in a long for like 20 minutes. And it's red now. I'm like, dang it.
Yeah. Yep. I'm gonna probably hit stop loss. Call it a day.
Yep.
Yeah, we are retesting the downtrend moment.
Well, I'm gonna just let this ride. Do my own thing. You guys have a good rest of your day.
You still doing nothing, huh? Go.
At least it looks like things are lining up now.
Yeah, just wait.
Drift,
Go.
Delta,
Go. Go.
Rice now. Just new high day right now. Just slam it.
I hope they push it up like right before that happened.
Is that in a half an hour or an hour and a half?
Huh?
Is that in a half an hour or in an hour and a half? I don't know when the Apple event is.
That once, a half hour.
And
Go away, dude. Apple event is so cool. I can't wait to watch the
Time to start.
Apple. 1 p.m. Eastern.
2
Or
p.m.
10.
1 p.m.
Yeah, 1 p.m. You're what, Cent Mountain, right?
Yeah, so it's like 1 p.m. Pacific, so it'll be 2 p.m. my time.
Huh?
Or is it 1 p.m. Eastern?
1 p.m. Eastern. 10% Pacific. So it's 11 for you. Right? 11 for you?
Yeah, it'll be 11 in 20 minutes.
Nice tap. So far away. this cord. I need a notebook. You guys just ever like want to write down notes every so often? I do. I need a big one. This brand's really good. My kids drool all in it. You know the brand, like, come on, there's no brand on it. The A4 is two A5s. So what's the whole page? The whole page of A1? Huh? A4.
We're gonna need that Apple event in order to go up, aren't we? Or are they gonna sell off even more?
A4. I want A4. Why are you showing A5 in? Why does PPI and CPI flip? That doesn't make sense. My notebook lined or not lined? That's what I'm really trying to figure out.
Yes.
Come on, Daddy. Come on, Daddy.
Ooh, Apple's going up.
Did it start? No, it's about to. I'm looking for. Oh, is that it? Is that their music? I don't know where that's coming from.
I don't hear anything. You did have a window open at one point.
Oh, it is coming. Yeah, it's not working on there. I have it open somewhere else. I'm just trying to find it. Hashtag, I got too many things open. Oh, it's coming from OBS. I don't know what. I have a ton of skipped frames today, though. Okay, Apple. Why is that YouTube different on that and then mine? Weird.
Apple's running. Running.
I mean, you'll see how crazy
Right now.
you'll see how crazy it goes.
Can it just send Spy to the moon, please? Just new high a day, real quick.
Like you'll see as soon as they talk about Apple, something's gonna happen. Or the iPhone.
Three minutes left.
Yeah, they're doing an intro. Come on, give me a trend before. Huh? What do you say?
I don't know. I can't hear.
It's a joke. It's a
I'm
joke.
not watching it.
It's a joke, bro. You saw about how the Airbud Pros help hearing problems. I said, huh? What did you say?
Apple goes up, Spy goes down. What the fuck?
Ew! Sound into the ear. Microsoft. That drifts are going crazy. What are they buying on Microsoft? December 500 calls. Google's going.
What's Google doing? Can we go to new high of day now, please?
Google popped. Well, Google's gonna. Bonjour. The Google Pixel Buds had this like 6 years ago. Duolingo dumped. It's so funny. This is the dumbest thing I've seen.
What?
Duolingo, how you learn a second language, because these AirPods translate live for you.
Oh, that's pretty sweet.
Google Pixel Buds had those a long time ago.